Hi guys, Linnea here. I wanted to talk a little bit about witches runes. I had a question about someone just wanted to know a little bit more information. And as you can see, I've got a little picture posted up here of them. This is just a picture that I found that I copied when I made mine. I did them by using a little stone, and I just drew the pictures on with some colored Sharpies. I'll show you here. And I used red and black. I liked the red just because red and black are the colors of my goddess, and I just wanted to use them both. And this is my star, which is the first one, and I'll enlarge this picture in just a little bit to show you them a little more clear. There are 13 of them, and the meanings are on here, and you can pause this picture when I enlarge it and write the meanings down. So what you do is you throw the runes, and preferably onto a cloth. At least that's just my opinion. I wouldn't say you had to do that, but I love my things to be on a cloth so they're not hitting, especially my stones, so they're not hitting something hard. But you would toss them out, and the ones that are upright are the ones you read, and the ones that are face down, then they just don't, they're not involved in the reading, and they're a great tool for divination. I've been working with them for about 2 weeks now is all. They're fun, and they have a lot of insight. They actually are very accurate. They give me, it's a great divination tool. I've been finding it to be very helpful with things going on in my life right now. We're getting ready to make a move, and a very big move from California to Texas. And I've been finding them really helpful in guiding me towards some things that I'm dealing with in that, and the stress that's coming along with it, and so on. So I suggest that you make them. They're fun to make. I, again, just use little pebbles. I actually got these pebbles from the doctor's office that I was seeing after my surgery. And so I had my gastric sleeve surgery, and then I actually had a skin removal. And so that's the surgery where I actually had more trouble with that surgery than I did the actual gastric sleeve surgery, but that's the surgery where I got these little pebbles from, and I used small pebbles because I just didn't want big stones, and wrong way, and I wanted something flat. This is my moon stone. I wanted something flat that was a kind of round but not perfectly round, and I love using stones and not tiles. I don't like tiles too much. I would use bone if I had some flat pieces of bone, which that's my goal in the future, to make me some witches runes on some stone. I mean, on some bone. That would be just so awesome. At any rate, I'm going to make this picture larger for you so that you can actually maybe get some info from it. I would say pause the video right here and go ahead and copy down what you can of the information that they mean, and they're really a good tool. I think you'll enjoy it. So go ahead and pause and copy down each meaning for each rune and make your own. They're fun to make. And don't worry if they're not perfect. Mine aren't perfect, trust me. I am no artist, but they were fun to make, and they're fun to use, and they're very, very accurate. So have fun. Remember that you are all divine, sacred beings of light and love, and I love you all. Have fun.